welcome back to my channel. I'm a little late with my video as I'm still trying to work out some kinks with some editing, but I was gifted a MacBook Air by my wonderful husband for Christmas, and I'll be unboxing it and showing you what's inside. So this would be my first Mac laptop. The only other Apple product that I've had was an iPad Nano when I was in high school. That was also pink, like this, or fuchsia actually. But this is super exciting to try out one of their laptops, which everyone seems to have rave reviews about. Someone who's only ever used like HP, this is quite a change, it's quite a pivot. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. So the box itself is a little hard to open. You gotta give it a little bit of a jimmy, a little bit of a shake. Not too much, just enough to get it out. And the top should come off really easily. And voila, there she is in all her beautiful golden glory. Though she looks more gold than she does actually pink, or rose gold, but I assure you it's rose gold, it's pink. It just looks gold underneath the light that I used here. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's put that aside. And as you can see, it's literally nothing. It's just a wire, charging wire, which is the USB-C. An envelope with some information. And the adapter plug. That's literally it. So simple. So inside the little envelope itself, it wasn't much of anything, but 2 pieces of paper and a set of stickers, which I believe you can use on your laptop or maybe your laptop case. But that's it. The stickers are the same color as the laptop itself. And you have the MacBook Air little pamphlet, which is probably only 2 pages, or not even, it's just 1, with just some quick information. I thought there was something else in there, but it's just a part of the envelope. But that's good. It's not fussy. I like it. So now let's get to unwrapping the queen herself. So it comes in like a little plastic envelope. Just fairly easy to open. Just nothing crazy. Peel it back like a banana. And take that bad girl out. And there she is, there she go. Like, it's so light, it's amazing. Now let's open it. I will say I was surprised, because I didn't expect it to turn on automatically like that. Computers I've had, you just have to turn the on button on. But then again, it's been a very long time since I've had something new, so I'm under a rock. And once you open it, it takes you to the setup screen where you can set up your language and everything else that you need to set up your MacBook. Now just to show you like up close how thin it is, it's like holding a folder. I've never held anything lighter. And in comparison to my older laptop, it weighs a ton compared to this. You can see on the side you have the USB-C ports, it's for charging, and your audio jack. But other than that, it's really simple. It's not fussy at all. Very minimal. It's refreshing. It's like a fresh drink of water. But yeah, so far I love it, and I can't wait to bring you guys more content on this new laptop. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe, and don't forget to keep your eye out for some amazing content.